record
only a
most.
shepherd.
Unahin nyo yan si si Kim Sabu. Unahin natin siya. Pag ako talaga. Guys, ayos na nga. Nainis na ako. Dali. Bawal tayo matalo dito.
Love
Yung
others,
pride ko, guys. Yung
love
pride ko. Yung
yourself.
pride nating lahat as a team. Ah! Hindi!
May the holy light be with you. Darkness is the
Wait
right hand of the
Initiate retreat. Enemy double kill. Enemy legendary. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack.
They
Guys,
in the
guys! Ayun na
holy
naman siya,
light
guys! Wait! Wait lang!
believe.
Shut down. Launch attack. Enemy has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy missing. Double kill. Shut down.
Let's just enjoy.
Our turret is under attack.
Brown out na lang pag-asa.
Sorry.
It's okay. Just play safe. It's okay. Just play safe.
I am only a shepherd.
Request backup.
Teka lang ah. Hindi naman ako ganito sa rank.
I
Please!
am the chosen one.
Tama na. Tama na.
You have our turret is under attack.
Ang daya. lahat ng kills ni Kim Sabu. Ako, except isa.
Launch attack. Okay.
Holy light will
Launch
grant me
attack.
victory.
Bawal. My turn. Yung my turn mo na. Wait, yung Fredrin.
I am only a may the holy
Ah!
You have been slain. Launch our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
darkness is the right hand of the light.
Hello, Allen.
Love others.
Ano na naman? Ayoko na talaga. Ayoko na talaga. Grabe, guys.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Okay. An ally has been slain. Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Mag-lord na yan
turret
sila.
is under attack.
Thank you po sa pagbigay.
An ally has
Guys! Pang ilan ko na to dito?
request backup. Launch attack. Okay. Launch attack. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Ano naman yung mga stats namin?
Launch attack. Okay.
Bathe in the holy light.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Holy light will grant me victory.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Mega kill.
Hoy, ako na Kim Sabu, ayoko na!
Unstoppable. Double kill. Our inhibitor turret
Ang
is
daya.
under attack. Ally has been slain.
Nice! Sumasakit na yung likod nitong tatlo.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack.
Balo na lang, balo na lang.
Launch attack. Launch attack.
Darkness
Our
is the
turret
right
has been
hand of the
destroyed.
light.
Request backup. Okay.
Oh, tara. Yan! Patayin natin yan!
Love yourself.
Shut down.
Hello! Siya pa yung namatay!
Enemy double kill. Shut down. Enemy triple kill. Enemy maniac. Initiate retreat. Okay. An enemy has been
Ay,
slain.
mali.
Holy light will grant me victory.
Guys! Patay sila. Funny.
Launch attack.
Dali, patay sila lahat, guys! Patay sila lahat!
Attack the
Lord na tayo! Dali.
Bathe in the holy light.
Hala, ayan na siya! Hala, ayan na sila, guys! Mamamatay ako!
You have been slain. An ally has slain Lord.
Guys, bubuksan ko na yung monitor ko.
Request backup.
Understood.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Partida, walag pa daw ako. Wait, punta ako dyan.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Guys, patulong! Guys!
May the holy light be with you.
Hindi kinakaya nung heal ko!
Slain.
Oh my God, muntik na. Nice! Hala! Sige. Yan. Nice! Let's go! Okay. Kaya pa to, guys. Game, 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 game.
I am the chosen one.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Understood.
Ah! Wait lang.
Team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Okay.
Ayo.
Killing spree.
Muntik na!
Launch attack.
Understood.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Mega kill. Ally has been double kill. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ako.
Request back.
Understood.
I am only a shepherd.
Launch attack.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys.
Bathe in the holy
Launch
light.
attack. Launch attack. Request backup.
Love others as
Guys, ayun na
love
yung Lord ng
yourself.
ano. Yung nakakatakot.
I am only a
Ally has been slain.
Shucks! Ang sakit!
Ally has been slain. You have
Grabe! Yun lang, ayun lang.
resurrection.
Ayun lang, ayun lang. Grabe.
base is under attack. Shut down.
Muntik na yung kanina.
Defeat.
Ganon. Ganon. Ganon, guys. Ha? Easy. Wow! Ano? Wala. Mag-ano na lang tayo. Ano, isa pa ba? Ayoko na. Yurei, bakit hindi? Mag-rank na lang ba tayo?
When you're weary and worn, just picture an oasis in front of you.
Wow! Ano? Isa pa. Isa pa, sige. Or gusto niyo mag-rank na lang tayo? Last na. Tapos magbabalon na ako. Ay. Hmm? 146. Six. Tama ba? Ayoko na, guys. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Gusto ko na mag-Valorant. What if Valo na agad, diba? Oo nga, ayoko na. Pagod na ako mag-ML, guys. Huwag na tayo Ayoko. Ay, wala na. Tatampo na ako sa inyo. GG na. Wait lang. Live na ba si Coley? Kasi kung live na si Coley, magbabalo na kami. Live na ba si Coley? Ayaw nyo talaga ako kakampi, ah. Live na ba si Coley? Hello, KD. Thank you. Kampi na ako sa'yo, pambawi. Dali. Wala. 4 lang yung kabilang team. Start ko to, kahit 4 lang kayo. Start ko to. Start ko to. Hala, 5 na. O, last na to ah. Last na. Oh. Dali. Ay, ba't ayaw? Baba nyo ba yung hero ko pa din? Ko si Coley.
Sir, what's your command? The enemy is...
Magbabalo kasi kami. Master
Let's
lang
make
yung...
the whole
Yan.
world green
Team is
and
banning.
lively.
Ban nyo ano.
Hello, my friend.
The enemy is banning.
Pinagtutulungan niyo ako. Pag binan yung Angela ko ah.
Love and hope are the
Please
two
pick a
greatest
hero.
inventions.
Ano na? Sino nang gagamitin ko, guys?
Let's hear from the crowd. Make some
The
noise
enemy
for
is
yours
picking.
truly.
Sige ah, gusto niyo ako makita mag-EXP? Sige. Sige. Wala na akong no choice. Grabe. Tatandaan ko talaga tong araw na to. Tatandaan ko tong araw. Mia. Tatandaan ko kayo lahat.
Sand rises when I give the word.
Need some stitches? I can help.
Your team is picking.
Witness the
Ano
light of
ginagawa ng
Virgo.
Spectator?
Mobile Fortress combat
The
ready.
enemy is picking.
Panalo kami dito, guys. Grabe, pati yung kakampi ko dito, binan din yung Estes ko. Grabe.
My
Grabe,
kiss.
grabe na talaga kayo,
The
guys.
enemy
Grant
is banning.
immortality or death.
Parang hindi tropa eh, no? Wait lang, yung headphones ko na low bat. O, partida pa yan, ha? Hala, ba't ka kasi pumasok sa spectator,
I am
pre?
a daughter of Northern Vale.
Your team
I
is
swear to
banning.
protect it till my last breath.
They call me a hero
Pinagtutulungan niyo ako, ha?
because I
The
saved my
enemy is
nation
ban?
from falling apart.
Sino nagawa yung SS dito? Charge ko lang ang... Fast game. Siyempre kalaban, ay kakampi nila ako eh.
Your team is picking.
Pause. Oo, custom lobby. Custom lobby. Ayaw na gumana ng headphones. Boy. Huwag na tayo mag-headphones.
It's my job to protect Huckleberry.
Assassination is my way of missing you,
The
my
enemy
dear
is
brother.
picking.
Kalaban ko lang
Crowned
din
by
yung mga
heaven's
viewers ko.
mandate,
Tas tatandaan ko
my
kung sino yung mga
legacy
pumapatay
shall
sa akin sa
endure.
game. Ayaw mag-charge ng headphones ko. Kaya na nga. Game. Ay. Nagpa-tournament. MPL to, guys. MPL 48. Pwede ko tanggalin dito sa saksakan. Wala akong headphones so hindi ko marinig yung mga audio. Imagine na lang tayo. Last game, ML game. I-pause mo tapos i-quit mo na. Pag natatalo na kami. Ang tagal. Tama. Tayo nila ako ipopause mo tapos ikikik mo sila sa lobby. Okay. Ang tagal. Guys, naka-live ba si Coley? Sabihin nyo nga sa kanya next
Mobile
video.
Legends. 5 seconds. The enemy reaches the
Game.
battlefield. Smash. All troops deployed.
Let's go, let's
Fight
go.
as one!
Cece and Yo-Yo, ready to set the stage on fire!
Pag pinapatay ka, ipopause ko.
Every day is a chance to be the hero of your own story.
Whoa! Wait a minute, bro.
Request backup.
Spin, Yo-Yo,
Understood.
spin! Spin, Yo-Yo, spin! You are not invited.
No!
Request backup.
The show must.
Okay. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been
Good
slain.
show never ends.
Enemy reached level 4.
Request backup.
Understood. Enemy reached level 4. Enemy reached level 4.
Hindi ko kayo ma-heal, guys. Hindi na ako healer.
Let's dance.
Wait. Ow.
An enemy has been slain.
Takot siya, oh.
An ally has been slain.
Spin, Yo-Yo, spin!
My turn.
Don't worry,
My turn.
just be happy.
Good game.
Ha!
Good game.
Gather up the turtle!
Parang may nagtatago
Enemy
dito.
has slain the good game.
Ay! Sino yun? Bumaliwag sa akin. Uy, may nakakotse.
Show isn't over yet.
Uy! Ay, ba't nyo ako binabalibag? Wait lang, iwan ko muna yung lane ko.
Happiness is the warmth of a smile and a sparkle in
The
the
enemy
eyes.
has been slain. Slain. Need a
Need a ride. Pwede ba sumakay doon? Kay ano? Yeah, magbabal kami later. Wait lang. Tatalunin ko lang tong mga. Uy, pwede nga sumakay! Magbabal ako later. Tinatapos ko lang tong Okay, dineliver na ako papuntang base, guys.
Executed. Show me.
Nasa base na kami ng kalaban.
Need assistance.
Kainis, nasa base na kami ng
Not
kalaban.
my curtain call yet. Not my
Kalaban.
curtain call yet.
Yan, yan. Si Zet yan. Nice. To, si Kyle TZ. Kyle TZ!
Launch attack.
Aray, wait lang po.
Destroy the turret.
Supremo, thank you.
Unstoppable. Ally has
O, pasakay. Pahatid sa mid.
enemy has been slain.
Thank you.
You have slain an enemy.
Yan yung Zet yan.
Part of my show.
Walang healer. Wala tayong healer, no? Delivery. Si...
Intermission's over.
O, dali, pahatid. Ay, wala na. Wala na kotse. Yun, pahatid.
Rampage.
Pahatid sa dito. Yan.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Ah!
Stop being a party pooper.
Wait, help.
Unstoppable.
Grabe yung live stream niya.
Initiate retreat. Enemy double kill. Monster kill.
CC and Yo-Yo.
Asa na yung driver ko?
Chase away the clue.
Ayan. Tapos dito tayo
Turret has
kay...
been destroyed.
Dito kaya dito. Sa mid.
Request backup.
Ayun.
Okay.
Me and Yo-Yo
Request
is
backup.
as long as I can remember.
Hindi mo na-pause.
Our turret
Dali,
has been
pahatid sa mid.
destroyed.
Pahatid. Okay, para po.
Happiness, the one ready for my showstopper.
Naku, bumatay ako. Grabe tunaw ako.
You have been slain. An enemy has been
Nice.
slain. Double kill. Launch attack. Enemy front.
Tapusin na
Launch
natin
attack.
to.
A good show never ends.
Ayan yung driver ko. Driver, bring me here. Please, thank you.
An enemy
Not
has
there,
been
not there.
slain.
Here. Oopsie. Wait.
Request backup.
Maglo-lord yan sila, oh.
Shut down. Killing
Tara.
spree.
Ay, patay na yung lord. Ay, patay na pala yung lord. Oopsie. Ay, hindi pa.
siyang tatlong size, small, medium, large ata yun. Ayun. Ano pa? Ano pa yung gusto nyo ipa-flex, guys? Meron tayo ditong Google shampoo. Ayan, ang ating Google shampoo and conditioner. Sa mga naglulugas yung buhok ko dyan, ayan. Eto, maganda to, guys. Ayan. Kaya na sa akin. Lugas-lugas, maglulugas-lugas na kasi. Kakakulay. Ayan. Check out na kayo, guys. At mag-end na tayo ng live. Ayan. Bukas mag-live ulit tayo, guys. Check out na kayo, guys. Flex na kayo hanggang meron tayong oras. Ayan. And no one knows I'm into you. Ayan. Ano yun? Ayan. Sa mga nag-check out dyan. Ayan. Sa mga bagong pasok natin dyan, guys. Pa-flex na po kayo. At eto ang ating mermaid. Na pangregalo sa mga anak nyo at inaanak. Ayan. Sa kapatid. Ayan. Maganda to, guys. Sa mermaid. Meron siyang tatlong size. Small, medium, large. Ayan. Ayan, ang inuupuan ko, meron din natin sa may ating basket. And no one knows. Ayan, guys. Check out na. I'm into you.
Sabihin, bossing, swerte ka pa. Pala palakpakan mga si, Boss Mari, si Ma'am Mari. Yun, napalakpakan na si Ma'am Mari. Yes. May lebeeng mete, may lebeeng peningin. Ikaw niya. Lebeeng peningin. Last 6 minutes, okay? Last 6 minutes tayo para sa mag-check out na kasamang unan. Okay, may kasamang unan guys, sa mga gusto mag-flex, pwede mag-flex kahit sino. Okay, pwede mag-flex kahit sino. Okay, pwede mag-flex kahit sino. At dali guys. Mag-flex. Sino ba yun mag-meow dyan man? Meow ng meow yan So magkawin natin siopaw yan man. Pwede no? Yari talaga. 2-1 ko nakuha mo sa task first kayo. O, diba sabi sa'yo, bossing ka, bossing, yung panghihinayang mo na palitan ng saya, bossing. Yung lungkot mo na palitan ng ginhawa sa puso. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi uminom ka ng Lola Remedios. Okay? Uminom ka nun, bossing, kung gusto mo talaga maginhawa yung pakiramdam mo, bossing, may ubusipon ka ba, bossing. Kung meron man, sana, bossing, nausog ka lang. Okay, sorry. Basurero, grabe naman yung pangalan mo, Basurero. Cover, anong cover? Anong cover, basurero? Grabe naman yung pangalan mo. Sa bagay man, no? Basurero. May pera sa basura, no? Grabe naman yung pangalan mo, basurero. Yun, 36/75, may kasama ng cover. Okay, pag nag-checkout ka, basta uma-under timer, may kasamang unan. Pag nag-checkout ka, basta uma-under timer, may kasama pong unan. Pakita ko single size. Pakita ko single size. Lumipat si Jo man, nagselo si Jo. Lumipat man dito kay Ash. Oo. Ito 36/75 kay Basurero. Okay, bossing pang solo Pang solo. Okay guys, habang nag-checkout kayo, basta uma-under timer, may kasamang unan. Okay, 6 side, double na 5 inches. Double size. Sakto bossing, pang dalawa yan. Double size. Yan. Tapos 5 inches, ganito kakapal. 5 inches, ganito kakapal. Tapos ni Joven. Sabi ni Joven, go man, basta hugasan mo puwet mo. Sabi sa once those. Ayan, last 4 minutes pag nag-checkout guys, make sure na naka-follow. Pa-make sure na naka-follow. Ano ba kasi sinasabi nito? China ngayon Hindi siya para sa akin. Ha? Jo, ba't napalipat ka